So when you're a beginner knitter, the first thing you need to learn is to make a normal knit stitch. The way I knit is called the Scandinavian kind of way, or the continental. And it just means that I keep the yarn over my left index finger all the time. Make a normal stitch. I take the right hand needle, pull it under the loop, gather up the yarn and put it back through the loop and onto the right hand needle. And I'll continue to do this. And that's just how to knit a normal stitch. Helpful. Have a very nice day and God bless you.